Big islands. Islands in the middle of the oceans are often small. The biggest islands are all near a continent. What big islands did you know? The biggest islands. This picture of Earth shows the 8 biggest islands. Greenland is the biggest island. It's more than 2 million square kilometers. Some big islands like Nesgir and are countries. Others are part of a bigger country. For example, Baffin Island is part of Canada. Some islands like country have lots of people, but other islands like New Guinea don't have many people, but they have amazing plants and animals. Greenland. Greenland is 3 times bigger than any island. It isn't green. It's mostly white with ice and snow. People live there. There are almost no trees, and only about 50% of people live there. About 8% of people are Inuit. Many people hunt and eat fish and seals. A lot of animals are white, like the Arctic fox, so other animals can see them in the snow. The biggest animals here are the polar bears. They have huge paws so they can walk easily on snow. They can run fast and they can swim more than 100 kilometers. In winter, they hunt seals. In summer, they don't eat very much. Discover. Polar bears don't have white skin. Their white fur is about 5 centimeters thick, but they have black skin. The black skin keeps them to stay warm. New Zealand. Most of New Zealand is 2 big islands called North Island and the South Island. The islands are very different from each other. The South Island has a lot of big mountains. It even has some glaciers. The Lord of Kings movies are filmed on the South Island. The North Island is volcanic, with geysers and hot water pools. People have lived on the island for about 1,200 years. 3 of New Zealand birds can fly. The most famous of these birds is the kiwi, the heaviest insect on Earth. The giant whales also live on New Zealand. Tasmania. Tasmania is a big island, about 240 kilometers south of the mainland of Australia. The Tasmanian devil only lives on Tasmania. It's the same size as a small dog, and when it's scared, it makes a horrible smell. The long hairs next to its nose helps it to hunt food at night. It has a strong mouth and sharp teeth for eating meat. It was noisy when it eats. Its favorite food is the wombat, an animal that only lives in Australia. Discover. A Tasmanian devil that weighs 6 kilograms can eat 2 kilograms of meat at one time.